Good morning, Alexandra.
Good morning, Melanie.
I love this idea. First, I would love to know why, how did this passion come about of wanting to help others be able to express themselves?
Well, I had already this immense love for watercolor that I discovered during COVID and loved it. It brought me so much joy. And for me, education, teaching, that's like 100% in my blood. Everyone in my family are teachers. And so it was like a no-brainer to put those two passions together. And then when I started doing the workshops, it was just like it gives me so much happiness to teach them, and like it's my favorite part of the job, so I love it.
Can you see people kind of come to life? Like for me, I have no watercolor experience. I love the idea. I love the arts.
Yes.
Is that like something really cool to see where someone's like, I don't know what to do, but then you see them kind of coming to life and falling in love?
Yes, and most people who take my workshops, a lot of them say like, never tried it, complete beginner. And seeing that spark and them coming up and like, are you gonna send us the list of the materials? And I'm like, they're gonna try it at home, this is good.
Exactly, yeah. So speaking of trying it at home, you have these amazing kits.
Yes.
I love this idea. Tell me more about these.
Yes, so these are watercolor kits. I also have gouache kits on my website as well.
What?
Gouache.
What's a gouache?
Gouache is within the watercolor family. It still uses water to like shear it down, but it's kind of like if watercolor and acrylic had a baby. It has like more opacity like acrylic, but you do use water with it.
Okay.
But I brought watercolor ones today. So these all come with the like a brush, they come with the paint, they come with step-by-step picture instructions. They all have like the outline of whatever the project is on the watercolor paper. There's like a example, and I created all this, designed it, made the educational materials, and they're like perfect for on the go. I've had parents take them to restaurants with their kids. I've had someone's like, I did it on a plane. I'm like, we're like Dr. Seuss on a plane and a this and a that.
Exactly. I'm picturing long car rides.
Oh, yes,
you know, with
definitely.
kids. Because can you, like, I've never seen this.
Yeah, so this is a water brush. It twists and fills with water, and then water flows out the bristles. And then here we have the paint. And so just a drop of water on this paint, the watercolor reconstitutes.
Wow.
And you can mix, and then you can paint with it.
Oh my
You squeeze a little bit more to get more water to come out the brush.
Okay.
Do you want to try it?
Can I?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, I have flowers in front of me. This is so it's just, am I squeezing?
You can squeeze to get a little bit of water out. I already kind of started it for you.
Okay.
So if you get into the paint, you got color on there, you're good.
Oh,
you can bring it to the page now.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool.
Yes.
Wow.
And it's so nice because, first of all, I think it makes it accessible for people because it's really daunting to have a blank page in front of you.
That scares me.
Yes, yes. So the outline's already there, and then it's like you have all the materials. Some people are like, I want to try watercolor, but do I want to go buy everything, and then what if I don't like it?
Exactly. Then
you try one thing, you have everything you need, and then you're going to love it. I'm just telling you. You'll love it, and then you can go get all the materials for more.
Thank you for doing the outline. It is so helpful because, again, you said, when I stare at a blank piece of paper, I feel very intimidated and like, oh, I'm not good enough to do this.
Right.
You know, I start having that self-doubt.
Yes.
And so for you to create this, and this is amazing.
Yeah, so that's like the finished product. This gives some, you know, like mine's a butterfly.
To give us an idea.
So that's the finished product, but everyone can make it their own. You have like all the primary colors. So if I wanted to make it a purple butterfly, I could make it a purple butterfly. It doesn't have to be this color scheme.
Yes. So we have the kits.
Yes.
Now, do you do classes in other places?
I do. So I teach workshops all over Indiana and Michigan. I teach adult workshops. I teach kids. The one I have coming up that I'm very excited about is I'm doing a 3-day kids camp at the Potawatomi Conservatories. So it's in July 15th, 16th, and 17th. There's going to be a 6 to 9 age group and 10 to 14. And I'm so excited because we're going to be at the beautiful Potawatomi Conservatory, so we have this beautiful backdrop of like inspiration. The kids will get to experience looking and maybe sketching something and then bringing it back and adding color to
Adding
it.
life.
So all of our projects are going to be very botanical themed, and they're going to get a deep dive into watercolor, but like very age appropriate to whatever age group it is.
I love the fact that you have it separated into those different age groups.
yeah.
My grandsons, you know, in that 6 to 9 age group, and they love exploring. They love trying new things. And to be able to take this at their level,
For
but
sure.
then if I want to do something,
Yes,
I can
and I
too.
do adult workshops as well. So, but yeah, that's important to me to do the different age groups because my background is teaching. I have a K through 12 music education degree. So when someone's like, "Oh, can you do 6 to 10?" I'm like, "No. We need to separate. I'm not going to teach a 10-year-old the same or 14-year-old the same I'm going to do a 6, 7-year-old." So
right, different skill levels.
for sure.
Yeah, and with your background, you are able to help them take those skills and let them blossom.
Yes,
Encourage
definitely.
them to do that kind of stuff.
Yes.
So are there any kind of deals going on?
So this is
for
a very
kits or
special deal
camp?
for you guys having me on at Hometown Living. So I'm doing 15% off the camps. It's going to be class 15. No. Camp 15.
Camp 15.
It's Camp 15.
We use the code Camp 15?
Camp 15, and you can get 15% off the camp.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm just so excited to bring it to this area. And, you know, kids don't always have it's hard sometimes to find that artsy camp for like your artistic, creative kid. Like you got your sports ones, you know. And so I'm really excited to be offering this to like South Bend, Mishawaka, Granger community. So.
Well, we're excited too. So
Yes.
thank you for
Thank
bringing
you.
the kits, giving us ideas, bringing art to life.
Yes.
It's a fantastic idea. So thank you for
you.
taking and helping us express
Thank
ourselves.
you, Melanie. Thanks for having me on.
Absolutely. If you would like to take one of Alexandra's classes, buy some of her work, or buy a kit, just head to the website on your screen and don't forget to check her out on social media.